what? What are you squealing about? Oh, this little puppy came to visit me here in the living room. This is the first one to venture out this far, other than the one that ventured into the bedroom and laid beside my bed last night. Oh, what? What? She came up and got on my foot and was trying to crawl up into my lap, so I picked her up. Mom, is that white one over there?
I don't see her. Probably asleep.
Can you bring him here? It's a him. Yeah, you better go back with your brothers and sisters here for right now. Oh, you're going to come back to the chair, huh? All right. Well, man, you know, I guess it wants some loving here.
I don't know whether you noticed or not, but David got a little brown spot on his head.
Yeah, I saw that.
I don't know whether it's brown hair or if it got dirty.
Hard to say. Hello, puppy. This is the white one that was laying beside my bed this morning. Whoop! Stupid dog. It just don't.
I know. You gotta hang on to them. They're babies. They don't know.
That's the second time she's done it. She ought to know. She's just real independent. But, yeah, this is the male that came and was laying right next to me on the floor by the bed. I might have to name him Crypto with a K. Hello. Okay.
How about that white one with a female?
Oh, you want to get down to here. No, the white one is the male. Oh, man. So, yeah, there's, maybe I'll keep both of those, a male and a female.
You don't need so many dogs. That came in. I got pictures on my phone.